Question: have you ever decided you wanted to make spaghetti for dinner, but your frozen hamburger is not allowing you to make it? Well, guess what? I'm going to show you how to thaw out your hamburger really fast to make that lovely bowl of spaghetti, and not just any spaghetti. I'm going to be using black garlic to make the sauce. It's going to be delicious. Just follow the recipe. Let's cook. Okay, so first you're going to put your hamburger into a pot with some water, and you're just going to let it simmer for just a little bit until the hamburger starts to thaw out, and then you're just going to shave off the pieces as it thaws out. Now, it might take about 15-20 minutes to do, but you end up with still a good quality of hamburger, and it doesn't actually cook all the way through. It only defrosts the hamburger, and you're shaving it away as it goes. You put the lid on it, and you just keep repeating the process as you move along, and then it starts to look like this. Now, when the hamburger is almost completely thawed out, that's when you're going to get ready and prepare your ingredients that you're going to add to your hamburger. How am I going to do my hamburger? Well, if you follow this recipe, you'll end up with some really great sauce and a really tasty spaghetti that you and your family will enjoy, and it's really good as leftovers. I love leftover spaghetti. So what seasonings am I going to add to this? The first seasoning I'm going to add is the Kinder's seasoning from Costco called the blend, and it's a salt, pepper, and garlic blend, and it is really tasty. It has a really nice mild flavor of garlic. So if you're looking for a potent taste in garlic, like a really strong garlic taste, then you might want to add some more garlic. Now, I love garlic, so I will be adding 2 more different types of garlic to this. So you sprinkle your seasoning first, and I'm going to show you how it looks. It looks like this. It's almost like a powdery type blend with the salt and pepper. So it blends in very well. Now for the garlic, I'm using frozen garlic. I freeze my garlic because I buy it in big bags. So I freeze it up. I'm just adding a few pieces like you see right here. And then the star of the show is going to be the black garlic. Now, the black garlic has a really nice sweet molasses type flavor, and they're easy to pull apart. They come out as big chunks, like a whole clove, not single little pieces like the white garlic does. So I just chop up a few pieces of the black garlic, and then I add it in with the hamburger along with the seasoning, and I mix it up really well. And as the rest of the hamburger is thawing out, those seasonings will incorporate and fuse in with the meat as well. So you end up with a really good hamburger flavor. All right, so next, what we're gonna do is, all right, so this lid is hot. Yes, it is. All right, just be careful, don't burn yourself. All right, so now you see the hamburger is pretty much all thawed out. We have the garlic, we have the seasoning in there, and it's looking really good, and it's smelling really good. And now it's time to add the spaghetti sauce. Now, you decide on what spaghetti sauce you want to use, but I'm using the store brand with an assortment of different flavor sauces. I'm using 3 sauces for this. I'm using a mushroom sauce, I'm using a garlic sauce, and I'm using a meat sauce. All right, so those are the 3 sauces I'm using for this. So you just add it to the meat, mix it in really good, and do not have your pot turned up high. What you want this sauce to do is simmer. You don't want to cook it, okay? So if you have it up high, you're going to end up burning it. So remember that, do not burn your sauce. All right, now, while the sauce is cooking, I'm going to make some pasta. I'm using the Raos or Raos, I always mispronounce it, but it's a really good quality. This is about $3 a pack, and they're pretty good. So you're wondering why I have hamburger buns and I'm putting them into the sauce. Well, the hamburger buns are kind of outdated a little bit, so I'm using them to soak up the oil that has floated to the top of the sauce from the hamburger. So if you have any stale bread or any bread that you want to get rid of, and you have oil on top of your sauce, this is the best way to do it. Now, believe it or not, some people take their bread after they do this and they toast it, and it has like a toasty spaghetti type sauce flavor to it. So your choice, give it a try. All right, so now the pasta is done and it looks lovely. This is some really good quality pasta for the price. If you guys have not spent the extra few dollars on pasta, you should, because you definitely will notice the difference. Now, this beautiful, cute bowl that I love with the carrots on it is a pasta bowl, and I'm giving a shout out to Home Goods because I love buying my plates and bowls there because they have really, really good prices. So check them out as well, and you guys will definitely find some good stuff for your kitchen. All right, so I got the pasta. It's looking lovely. And I got the sauce. It's looking lovely and thick. Look at that. I'm so excited about this dish because I wanted to make spaghetti tonight, and with the prices of hamburger nowadays, at least for good quality hamburger, it can charge you quite a bit for it. So I decided to thaw it out real quick and make this beautiful dish. Look at that. The black garlic, the garlic cloves that's in there. And the smell, once you guys smell this, you will be in heaven because it is just a very, very nice, tasty smelling sauce. All right, so let's go in for a taste. Look at that. Thunk, thick, chunky sauce going in. Oh yes, tasty, tasty, tasty. This is such an easy recipe. The spaghetti is so tasty. You guys can't lose out on this. It's very simple, very easy to make. So, hey, I've made some. Now it's you guys' turn to make some. Let me know how it comes out, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.